And welcome to day 24 here at Red Delta Project Advent Calendar, Christmas Eve. Congratulations to everyone who's made it through the entire calendar. Give yourselves a pat on the back for making it all the way through with all these micro workouts. Today's last workout is one of my favorite lateral chain exercises. You can do this on rings or single handles on a suspension set up. And what you're going to do is stretch outs for the lateral chain. Very intense, wonderful for hip and shoulder stability. To set up for this, start with the straps vertical like this, and you're going to stand, or kneel rather, half kneel in this position. Both knees are at 90 degrees, and the strap is along my center line on my side here, so it's not in front of me or behind me. Lean your weight onto the ring, and then just simply straighten your legs to go into a side plank. The wider your feet are, the more stable you will be. And from there, if you have the strength, you stretch out and come back. Try not to move, shift, and twist. Back is tight. Hold, and then back up. You can tell by my shaking, this is intense, meant to be very hard, no more than 6 or 8 per side, really stretching out to get as much intensity. You can micromanage the resistance. If I come forward, now the strap is at an angle, and so that's going to assist me slightly pulling inwards, and if I go backwards, then that's going to pull me out and make it harder to pull in. 6 to 8 on each side, 2 to 3 sets, or as you see fit, rest is needed as always. Congratulations on making it through Red Delta Project Advent Calendar. Thoughts and questions down below in the comments section are welcome. Best of luck in today's workout. Be fit, live free.